students, in last video session we are discuss about Indus civilization, and today we are going to discuss about the topic is ancient cities of Tamilaham. Yes, let's move on to the session. The name of the lesson: Ancient cities of Tamilaham. Children, you are learning objectives on to learn about the greatness of the town of ancient Tamilaham, to know about Pumbuhar, Madurai and Kanji, to understand the ancient kingdom of Tamilaham, to gain knowledge about the craft, markets, manufacture, maritime, trade, education and water management in ancient Tamilaham. Children, from given picture clearly understand the ancient cities and ancient ports. Ancient port or Kayalpattinam, Korkai, Ayangulam, Pumbuhar, Arikamedu and Mamallai. And ancient cities are Madurai, Keeladi, Kodumalai, Karur, Urayur and Kanjipuram. Children, like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in ancient India, there were famous towns in ancient Tamilaham too: Madurai, Kanji and Pumbuhar are prominent among them. Tamil literature accounts of foreigner travels and archaeological finds provide us information about the ancient town of Tamilaham. Children, first we are discuss about Pumbuhar. Pumbuhar is the one of the oldest town in ancient Tamilaham. This is the place where well-known characters of Silappatikaram, Kovalan and Kannagi lived. It was also port town along the Bay of Bengal. The ports were established for facilitating maritime trade. Even in time past, countries began to export their surplus product and import the scarce commodity by sea. Pumbuhar is one of the such historic port. They emerged in the wake of increasing maritime trade. It is a coastal town near the present day Mayiladuthurai and is located where the river Kaveri drains into the sea. Pumbuhar Port. Pumbuhar was also known by names such as Puhar and Kaveri Pumpattinam. It's served as a port of their early Chola kingdom. One of the popular Sangam literature, Pattinapalai and Tamil epics, Silappatikaram and Manimekhalai have reference to the brick sea bronze trade that took place in the port city Puhar. Silappatikaram in particular speak about the greatness of Pumbuhar. The lead female character of Silappatikaram is Kannagi. Her father is Manegan. Sea trades are known by the name Manegan. The main character Kovalan's father name is Masathuvan. Masathuvan means a big trader. It is clear from the text that Pumbuhar was a place where big trades and sea trades had settled down. The trades of Pumbuhar were known for their honesty and integrity. They sold goods at legitimate price. Pattinapalli states that selling any commodity at a higher price was considered bad. The author of Pattinapalli, Kadiyalur Uruti Rangadanar, belonged to 2nd century BCE. This is integrate of purchase antiquity. Horses were imported by sea. Pepper was procured through the land route. Gold that came from Vadamalai was polished and exported to the overseas countries. Sandals from Western Ghats, pearls from Southern Sea, coals from Eastern Sea, and food items from Elam were imported. Pumbuhar had been built differently from other towns. Each social group had a separate settlement. Streets were broad and straight, dotted with well-designed houses. There was also a dockyard. We can learn about the life of the people of Puhar by reading Pattinapalli and Puhar Gandam of Silapatiharam. Puhar was a busy port up to 200 AD CE. It might have been either washed away by sea or destroyed by big shore wave. The remains of that destruction can still be seen in the present Pumbuhar town. Next we are going to see about Madurai and other Asian Tamilham is started. Madurai. Madurai has been one of the oldest city in India. It's the name of Sangam Valartha Naharam. Pandyas, the Cholas and later the Calabras ruled Madurai in the Asian period. During medieval times, later Chola and later Pandyas followed by the Naiks ruled this historic town. This has resulted in culture blending. Trades also flourished and events for there has been unearthed in archaeological excavation down in Keeladi near Madurai. Tamil Sangam. Madurai is proudly associated with the Tamil Sangam, that is academics, which worked from the promotion of Tamil language. 49 poets were associated with the last Sangam. Tunga Nagaram. Madurai had Nalangadi and Alangadi. Nalangadi is day market and Alangadi is evening market. Madurai is known as Tunga Nagaram, the city that never sleep. Madurai was a safe place where women purchased things from Alangadi. Alangadi means evening market. Without any fear, Next one, import and export. Ahil fragrant food was brought from Port Tondi to Madurai. King Solomon of ancient Israel imported pearl from Uvari near Pandian port. Korkai. A mint of Roman coin was present at Madurai. The coin of other countries were also minted at Madurai. Proof of the glory of Madurai. Foreign accounts about Madurai. In the famous of Madurai is attached by the accounts of the Greek historian Megasthenes, Chanakya, Chandragupta's ministers, makes a mention of Madurai in his book Arthasastra. In the moat around town, tunnels had been considered in such a way that even elephant could comfortably enter. The next ancient town is Kanjipuram. A place of learning is called school. Several schools were established in great numbers for the first time of Kanjipuram. Jains study in Jainapalli and Buddhist study in Viharas. Kanji's greatness. Poet Kalidasa says Kanji is the best of the towns. Tamil poets cite Thirunavukarasar praises Kanji as Kalviyil Kayillada Kanji. Yuan Sang remarked Kanji as one among the seven sacred places like Bodh Gaya and Sanji. Scholars like Dharmabala, Jodhibala, Sumti and Bodhidharma were born in Kanji. Kanji, also known as the Temple City. The great architecture built Kailasanatha Temple was built by later Pallava king Rajasimha at Kanji. During Pallava period, a large number of cave temples were built. The Buddhist monk Animegalai spent the last part of her life at Kanji. Speak highly of the town. Kanji's water management. Water management played an important role in the agrarian society of this time. Hundreds of lakes were created for strong water around town of Kanji. These lakes were well connected with the canals. During later period, Kanji, known as district of lake, water management skills of ancient Tamils can be understood for the construction of Kallanai in the Chola country, lakes and canals in Kanji, other town of ancient Tamilaham. Apart from the Pumbuhar, Madurai and Kanji, there were other towns too in ancient Tamilaham: Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Urayur, Musuri, Karur, Mamayapuram, Tanjai and Kayal are some of them. Tamil saying represent the uniqueness of each ancient Tamil Sangam. சோழநாடு சோறுடைத்து, பாண்டிய நாடு முத்துடைத்து, சேர நாடு வேமுடைத்து, the last one தொண்டி நாடு சான்றோர் உடைத்து. Let's see the present day Tamil district of Asian Kingdom. Cheranadu comprised Malayalam speaking religious and Tamil districts of Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Karur, Kanyakumari and some part of present Kerala. Cholanadu comprised present day Tanjavur, Thiruvarur, Nahai, Tiruchi and Pudukottai district. Pandiyanadu spells composed Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Sivagangai, Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli district. Tondinadu is present day Kanjipuram, Tirunelveli, Tiruvannamalai, Vellore and northern part of Viluppuram district. Students, let's recap our lesson. Madurai, Kanji and Pumbuhar are famous town in ancient Tamilakam. We know the life of people of Pumbuhar by reading Silappatikaram and Pattinapalai. Madurai was a trading town. Madurai is associated with their Sri Sangam. Kanji was an educational center. Many great scholars were associated with it. Kanji, known as City of Temple, was also known for water management. Students, I hope you are clear with the lesson. Thank you.